Hi guys, here we've got Honor Magic 4 Lite, and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. So at first, you need to reach Settings, then find and select System and Updates, and now reach Reset. Here you will notice Reset All Settings, and if you really want to do it, if you want to reset all settings on this device, including network settings, fingerprints, Face ID, lock screen password, just tap on Reset All Settings. Now provide your current password and click on Reset All Settings to start the operation. Now you just have to wait and it will be done within a couple of seconds. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.